My name is Ryan Edgington. I'm the president of All-Fill Incorporated. All-Fill has the same values that we had since inception. We want to make the customer happy. If we can make the customer happy, we find a way to do it.
My name is Kyle Edgington, Vice President of All-Fill Incorporated. We make great equipment. What we do better than our equipment is we stand by it.
All-Fill is a family business. It's an awesome opportunity for me, my brothers, and my cousin because we're able to take a design, a company that has been established since 1969, and bring it to the next level.
If you walk just about any of the aisles in a grocery store, more than likely, some of the products that you see on those shelves, an All-Fill filler is responsible for getting that product into those containers.
We are doing everything from rigid containers to flexible containers. We are filling dry goods, we are filling liquid goods, we are doing pretty much everything in the packaging industry.
We sell to many Fortune 500 companies, many mom and pop small shops that are doing stuff out of their garages.
We deal with people, and it means everything to give them a $10,000 machine. It's their first step from hand packaging into automation. We can take you from A all the way to Z. We're there to service the customer, whether it's for a quick delivery project, a long-term customized project, or anything in between.
What we really focus on is we build equipment that fills products into containers. The main bread and butter of this company is auger fillers. Auger filler used to fill dry powders, granular type materials, in certain cases liquid, just with a change of auger and funnel tooling. You program the machine to turn a certain amount of auger revolutions in order to give you a certain amount of product. So easiest example, if you're trying to fill 1 pound of product, based off of the bulk density of the product, the flow characteristics, the container opening size, we determine that X amount of revolutions is going to give you 1 pound of product. We also get into what's called a vibratory filler. So basically any product that an auger filler would not do a good job of filling because maybe the product's too free-flowing or maybe it's too fragile or the auger might degrade the product, we then change to a vibratory filler. A vibratory filler, it actually fills by weight. We also get into volumetric piston fillers. That is what we use when we get into liquid applications. So any cream, paste, gel, lotion, shampoo, salsa, honey, peanut butter, you name it. We can then offer a volumetric piston filler to fill those types of products because an auger filler wouldn't be good for that. We also manufacture cup fillers. Cup fillers and vibratory fillers can be used on a lot of the same applications. The advantage to a cup filler over a vibratory filler, you are filling volumetrically, and what that means is that you can get higher and faster rates.
If you're not filling into a rigid container, like a jar, then a lot of times you're filling into a pre-made bag or a vertical form fill seal style bag. It takes a roll of film, winds it, it goes through a forming collar, and that's where the bag starts being made. Then we're gonna seal the vertical seal, then fill the bag and seal the end seal, and then you move that down.
We really set ourselves apart from all of our competitors when we started manufacturing a check wire. What a check wire does is it's a dynamic scale. It weighs as the product's moving over. It doesn't need to stop the product. What makes us unique compared to anybody else is that we manufacture both the filler and the check wire, and we can do what we call check wire feedback. So if that check wire starts to detect a trend of high or low weights, for whatever the reason may be, it can actually send the signal right back to the filler and automatically get that filler to adjust its revolutions to get you back in the spec. Labeling machine is very simple. It applies a pressure-sensitive label to a container, to a bag, to whatever it is that you're labeling. And we can do that in many different ways. You know, you can do round containers, you can do square containers, you can do boxes, you can do bags. It's just a matter of what they're looking to do and the configuration of the label head.
The bottle and scrambler is a machine to where an end user or a packager can dump bulk bottles into a hopper, and then what will happen is the bulk hopper will unscramble the bottles and put them on a conveyor line, and the conveyor line then yields to the auger filler, the piston filler, whatever would happen after that, but it sort of orients the bottles in the correct position so that they can be filled.
We're the one company that does everything under one roof. The fabrication, the welding work, the assembly work, the electrical work, the write and develop of all of our own software, everything is done under one roof.
We have years and years of databases that prove that we can run these products. If we get stumped or we don't know, we simply ask for a lab test. Our engineering team is going to design the specific machine that the customer needs.
Service travels all over this world supporting machines, and whether it has issues, whether it's training, whether it's assistance, parts department has everything stocked up on the shelves, ready for overnight delivery in most cases, always available for whenever our clients need us.
You want to work with All-Fill because you have one place to come shop for a majority of your packaging needs.
There's 4 young guys and a group of 140 really motivated employees that make this all tick, and we're very excited for the future.